Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to serve with you a beetroot and carrot juice. That is the magic juice, you can say. So let me share the benefits of this juice. The first thing is this is a powerful detox drink which will remove the harmful toxins from your body. And second thing is beetroots are rich in vitamin C, which will help to clearing the blemishes and give you a even out skin, and also helpful to give a natural glow to your skin. So I suggest you use this drink at least for 1 month regularly and you will see the results. And don't forget to give your feedbacks in the comment section below. So let's start the video.
To make the super tasty juice, as you can see, I have taken small pieces of apple, beetroot, cucumber, carrot and a small piece of ginger. Now I simply blend it all up in a blender and a little bit of water to make it smooth. Now I'm pressing it through a strainer until I get all the juice out. Don't discard the pulp, you can make vegetable patties with this. Few drops of lemon juice into this beetroot juice to make it more healthier. For sweetness, here I am adding date syrup. You can use honey as well. Once added, mix well. That's all. Now I am ready to have my healthy and tasty juice.
I hope you liked this video. If yes, please share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.